I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear image and uploading it to Remove.bg. Choose a high-contrast JPG or PNG so the automatic mask detects edges faster. Once uploaded, the service immediately analyzes foreground subjects. This is why a clean background and subject separation matter. Make sure you're signed in so you can access download options and higher resolution outputs. After upload finishes, preview the automatic result and prepare to refine, because initial masks are fast but sometimes need manual adjustments. Once you have the automatic cutout, use the edit tools to refine edges and recover lost details. You'll switch between erase and restore brushes to fix small halos. Use smaller brush sizes for hair and fine details. The hair tool helps recover wisps while feathering smooths transitions. Adjust a few pixels at a time so you don't over-soften. Make sure to toggle background color or upload your replacement to verify how the subject separates under different contrasts. This prevents surprises when you export. Finish by selecting the output format and resolution. PNG preserves transparency, JPG flattens against a chosen backdrop. Click Download and inspect the final image in your editor to confirm edges and semi-transparent areas are correct. If you notice rough edges or missing hair, reopen Edit and use small restore strokes or increase resolution before reprocessing. If problems persist, upload a higher resolution source or create a manual mask in your image editor. This gives you full control when automatic tools miss tiny details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.